Let's stay in sync. Jose for the summertime show.
You're my soulmate, my best friend, adventure buddy, my calm in chaos. You're patient, definitely. And you've shown me love through the hardest times.
Wherever you wanna go. We can make it feel like home.
Aside from being beautiful outside of the sea, she's absolutely stunning today. As you can see, took my breath away. She's gorgeous on the inside. She's got a kind nature. She's ambitious, funny, bubbly, driven, and the best mother that Jake could ever wish for.